Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change hero animation on Lots Mobile. To do so, you first need to open your Lots Mobile app on your device, and once you've done that, on the top left side of your screen you'll see your hero icon or portrait. Tap on it, which will take you to this screen. Once you're in the screen, all you need to do is tap on the hero first, like so, which will give you an animation. And if you tap on it once again, the hero's animation will change, as you can see right here. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Chase. Happy gaming.